Hey friends, who's hungry? Praline Pecan Pumpkin Crunch Cake is like pumpkin pie, but in cake form. In a large mixing bowl, measure one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 4 large eggs, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the batter ingredients on medium speed until everything is thoroughly combined. Then pour the pumpkin mixture into a prepared baking pan and spread it into an even layer using a spoon or spatula. Next, sprinkle one 15-ounce box of dry yellow cake mix evenly over the pumpkin mixture and drizzle half a cup of melted butter over the top. In a separate bowl, combine 1/4 cup of softened butter, half a cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and half a cup of chopped pecans. Mix everything together until the praline topping resembles the consistency of wet sand. Using a spoon or clean fingers, sprinkle the praline layer as evenly as possible over the top. Bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes, then cover the cake with foil and continue to bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes until the top is golden brown. Pumpkin crunch cake can be served hot or cold, topped with whipped cream or vanilla ice cream. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.